Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about the style icon, Reza Wilson. She's a model, actress, and influencer known for her stunning fashion choices. From red carpets to casual street style, Reza always manages to look effortlessly chic. She's often seen sporting this traditional Indian attire in a modern and chic way. From bold prints to elegant drapes, Reza knows how to make a statement with her saris. Her love for saris is evident in her Instagram feed where she's seen wearing them for events and red carpet appearances. Moving on to her casual wear, she is a pro at keeping it simple yet chic. She's often spotted wearing classic pieces like denim jeans, white tees, and sneakers. She knows how to accessorize her outfits perfectly with statement jewelry, sunglasses, and bags. Reza's style is effortless and comfortable, yet always on trend. When it comes to dressing up for events, Reza isn't afraid to take risks. She's seen experimenting with different styles, fabrics, and cuts. From stunning gowns to jumpsuits, the actress always manages to turn heads with her red carpet looks. Her bold and confident personality shines through her fashion choices. Let's talk about Reza's hair and makeup. Her makeup is always on point, whether it's a natural everyday look or a bold statement look for an event. She loves to experiment with different lip colors, eyeshadows, and hairstyles. Reza's hair is always styled perfectly, whether it's sleek and straight or voluminous curls. Reza Wilson posted pictures of herself wearing a striking blue swimsuit, which quickly became a viral sensation. In her latest social media update, Reza revealed snapshots from a photo shoot where she was seen heating up the pool while wearing the alluring blue swimsuit. Reza can pull off more elaborate looks. She also knows the power of a simple, classic outfit. A little black dress, a fitted blazer, or a pair of jeans and a white t-shirt can all be elevated with the right accessories. She is known for showing off her curves, and she does it with confidence. The actress often wears pieces from Zara, a popular fast fashion brand known for its trendy and affordable clothes. Another fast fashion brand that Reza frequently shops at is H&M. She loves their chic and stylish pieces that are also budget-friendly. For more high-end occasions, she wears traditional Indian attire from Sabyasachi, a luxury fashion brand known for their intricate designs and high-quality fabrics. Reza also loves designer brands, and one of her favorites is Gucci. She's often seen wearing their iconic belts and accessories, as well as their stunning dresses and jackets. She recently participated in a photo shoot donning a white dress that highlighted her feminine essence. She embellished herself with sizable earrings and bangles, and the small tattoo on her hand accentuated her stunning appearance. The large, round jewelry pieces were a perfect match for her beauty. Reza is known for adding eye-catching accessories to her outfits. From statement earrings to bold belts, she knows how to add the perfect finishing touch to her look. Experiment with different types of accessories to add your own personal touch to your outfits. She is a pro at mixing different patterns and textures to create a unique look. She often opts for breathable fabrics and comfortable shoes, so she can move around freely and feel comfortable all day long. She is a master at dressing appropriately for any occasion. Whether it's a red carpet event, a fashion show, or a casual day out, she always looks put together and stylish. In a recent release, she unveiled some black and white photographs that flaunted her impeccable figure and feminine grace. Her captivating gaze sets her apart, oozing magnetic charm that's hard to ignore. These images are rapidly spreading among beauty enthusiasts who are eager to share them. To put it simply, Reza's photographs are raising the temperature. Reza isn't afraid to experiment with bold and bright colors, and it's one of the things that makes her fashion choices stand out. Try adding a pop of color to your outfit, whether it's a vibrant jacket, a bold pair of shoes, or a bright bag. One thing that sets Reza's fashion choices apart is the way she wears her clothes. She often chooses pieces that fit her perfectly and flatter her figure. The actress' fashion choices are a reflection of her confidence and self-assurance. When you wear something with confidence and conviction, it automatically becomes more stylish. She often wears her favorite pieces more than once, and it's a great reminder that you don't always have to buy new clothes to look stylish. Experiment with different ways to style your favorite pieces, whether it's a pair of jeans or a statement coat. While Reza loves to experiment with different styles and trends, she also knows the power of classic silhouettes. A well-tailored blazer, a chic trench coat, or a timeless LBD can all be worn in different ways to create a variety of stylish looks. The actress chooses comfortable footwear that also looks stylish, such as sneakers or block heels. This is a great reminder that you don't have to sacrifice comfort for style. She adds personal touches to her outfits, such as statement jewelry or a favorite handbag. These personal touches can make all the difference in making an outfit feel truly unique and special. Reza often layers different pieces together to create a unique and stylish outfit. From layering a blazer over a t-shirt to wearing a shirt underneath a dress, there are many ways to play with layering in your outfits. She loves to experiment with different prints and textures in her outfits. The actress' fashion choices are often complemented by her beautiful hair and makeup. Consider experimenting with different hairstyles and makeup looks to complete your outfits and enhance your overall look. While Reza loves to experiment with different styles and trends, she also promotes sustainable fashion choices. Apart from her stunning outfits and accessories, Reza's makeup is also a big part of her fashion choices. She's often seen wearing bold and vibrant lip colors that complement her outfits perfectly. From bright reds to deep purples, she knows how to make a statement with her lip color. She also likes to experiment with different eye makeup looks, from winged eyeliner to smoky eyes. Reza's hair is another aspect of her fashion choices that deserves a mention. She's often seen sporting different hairstyles, from sleek and straight to voluminous curls. Her hairstyles complement her outfits perfectly, and she knows how to keep them simple yet elegant. The actress adds statement accessories to her outfits, such as oversized sunglasses or bold earrings. Accessories can elevate a simple outfit and make it feel more unique and stylish. She plays with proportions in her outfits, such as wearing oversized tops with fitted bottoms or vice versa. The actress always dresses appropriately for the occasion, whether it's a red carpet event or a casual day out. Reza's fashion choices are a reflection of her confidence and self-assurance. Reza's fashion choices are also reflective of her fun and quirky personality. She's often seen wearing statement pieces that add an element of fun to her outfits. One such example is her black and white polka dot dress. The dress featured a high-low hemline and a ruffled neckline, and Reza paired it with black heels and statement earrings. Reza's fashion choices are not limited to just outfits and accessories. She's also known for her stunning nail art designs. From glittery nails to ombre designs, Reza knows how to make a statement with her nails. The actress chooses pieces that can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion, such as a classic blazer or a simple white t-shirt. She wears bold and bright colors, such as a vibrant yellow dress or a bold red blazer. Reza takes risks with her fashion choices, such as wearing a bold patterned suit or a statement-making pair of shoes. The actress loves to wear patterns, whether it's a bold floral dress or a playful polka dot top. The actress invests in high-quality pieces that will last for years to come, such as a well-tailored blazer or a timeless leather jacket. She pays attention to the little details in her outfits, such as the buttons on a shirt or the stitching on a pair of pants. Reza mixes different textures in her outfits, such as a leather jacket paired with a silk blouse. The actress incorporates layering into her outfits, such as wearing a denim jacket over a dress or pairing a sweater with a button-up shirt. She knows the power of accessories, whether it's a statement necklace or a pair of bold earrings. Reza is not afraid to experiment with different silhouettes, such as wearing an oversized blazer or a crop top. She always dresses appropriately for the occasion, whether it's a red carpet event or a casual day out with friends. Reza often mixes high-end designer pieces with more affordable items to create a unique and personalized look. Reza also wears monochromatic outfits, such as an all-white ensemble or head-to-toe black. She loves to wear statement pieces, such as a bold printed skirt or a pair of eye-catching shoes. The actress values comfort in her fashion choices, often choosing comfortable and practical pieces that still look stylish. Reza often plays with proportions in her outfits, such as wearing oversized pants with a fitted top. Reza understands the importance of proper tailoring, often choosing pieces that are well-fitted and flatter her body type. The actress loves denim and often incorporates it into her outfits, whether it's a denim jacket or a pair of jeans. She incorporates vintage finds into her outfits, whether it's a retro-inspired dress or a pair of vintage sunglasses. The actress believes that fashion can be a confidence booster, and often chooses outfits that make her feel strong and powerful. Reza isn't afraid to mix prints and patterns, such as pairing a striped top with a floral skirt. The actress incorporates different textures into her outfits, such as wearing a velvet blazer or a leather skirt. Reza loves to incorporate athleisure into her wardrobe, such as wearing a pair of leggings with a hoodie. Athleisure can be both stylish and comfortable, and is perfect for running errands or hitting the gym. The actress understands the importance of a well-curated wardrobe and often sticks to a capsule wardrobe. Reza's fashion choices are also reflective of her body positivity and inclusivity. She's often seen wearing outfits that celebrate her curves and body shape. One such outfit that caught our attention was her orange and black printed jumpsuit. The jumpsuit featured a wrap-style neckline and a cinched waist, and Reza paired it with matching heels and minimalistic jewelry. This look was a perfect example of how Reza can celebrate her body shape and look stunning while doing so. The actress' fashion choices are also influenced by her love for travel. She's often seen wearing outfits that are perfect for different travel destinations, from beach wear to winter wear. One such outfit that caught our attention was her white crochet crop top paired with denim shorts. She accessorized the look with a straw hat and minimalistic jewelry, making it a perfect outfit for a beach vacation. Reza's fashion choices are also influenced by her love for experimenting with different colors. She's often seen wearing outfits in vibrant and bold colors, from neon greens to electric blues. One such outfit that caught our attention was her pink and orange striped pantsuit. The pantsuit featured a cropped blazer and wide leg pants, and Reza paired it with matching heels and statement earrings. This look was a perfect example of how Reza can make a statement with bold and vibrant colors. She believes in supporting sustainable fashion and often chooses brands that prioritize ethical and eco-friendly practices. Reza is a frequent traveler and often shares her travel fashion tips on social media. The actress plays with proportions in her outfits, such as pairing a crop top with high-waisted pants. She opts for monochrome outfits, such as wearing head-to-toe black. Reza understands the importance of dressing for the occasion. The actress often experiments with different hairstyles and makeup looks, such as a bold lip or a sleek ponytail. Reza's fashion choices are always a reflection of her confidence and self-assuredness. Reza chooses statement shoes to complement her outfit, such as a pair of bold colored heels or sleek ankle boots. Shoes can add interest and personality to your outfit, and are a great way to show off your personal style. Reza often wears bold and vibrant colors, such as red and yellow. Reza is a firm believer in taking care of her skin, and she follows a strict skincare routine. She cleanses, tones, and moisturizes her face twice a day, and she makes sure to use sunscreen every day to protect her skin from the harmful effects of the sun. The actress understands the importance of staying hydrated for healthy and glowing skin. She drinks plenty of water throughout the day to keep her skin looking fresh and radiant. Reza's makeup looks always start with a flawless base. She applies a moisturizer to hydrate her skin and then follows up with a primer to help her makeup last longer. She prefers a minimal makeup look, and she often goes for a natural, dewy finish. She uses a light foundation, concealer, and powder to even out her skin tone and then adds a hint of color to her cheeks with a blush. The actress loves to experiment with bold lip colors, and she often wears shades of red, pink, and coral. She makes sure to prep her lips with a lip balm to keep them hydrated and then applies her lipstick with a lip brush for a precise application. The actress often wears a winged eyeliner and mascara to accentuate her eyes. She also loves to play with eyeshadow colors and often opts for shades of brown and gold for a subtle yet glamorous look. Reza's luscious locks are the envy of many, and she takes good care of her hair to keep them healthy and shiny. She uses a hair serum to tame frizz and protect her hair from heat damage, and she makes sure to get regular haircuts to keep her hair looking fresh and healthy. She is careful to protect her skin from the sun's harmful UV rays. She always wears a hat or a cap when she is outside and makes sure to reapply her sunscreen every few hours. The actress loves to use face masks to give her skin a boost of hydration and nourishment. She uses a variety of masks, including sheet masks, clay masks, and sleeping masks, depending on her skin's needs. Reza understands that exercise is not only good for her body but also for her skin. She stays active by practicing yoga, dancing, and doing cardio exercises, which helps improve blood circulation and gives her skin a healthy glow. The beauty prioritizes getting enough sleep to ensure her skin looks its best. She makes sure to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night to allow her skin to repair and rejuvenate. She practices meditation and mindfulness to stay grounded and maintain a positive mindset, which reflects in her glowing skin and radiant personality. The actress never sleeps with her makeup on and always makes sure to remove it before going to bed. She uses a gentle makeup remover and then cleanses her face thoroughly to ensure that all the makeup and impurities are removed from her skin. She understands the damaging effects of the sun on the skin, and she makes sure to protect her skin from harmful UV rays. She always wears a sunscreen with a minimum SPF of 30, and she also wears a hat or carries an umbrella when she's out in the sun. She also seeks professional help when it comes to her skin and beauty. She regularly visits her dermatologist for treatments such as chemical peels and facials to keep her skin looking healthy and radiant. Reza understands the importance of staying hydrated for overall health and for her skin. She makes sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep her skin hydrated and glowing. She believes that a balanced diet is crucial for healthy skin. She makes sure to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats in her diet to nourish her skin from the inside out. The actress knows that stress can have a negative impact on the skin, and she makes sure to manage stress levels through activities such as yoga, meditation, and spending time with loved ones. She prefers to keep her makeup minimal and natural looking. She believes that less is more when it comes to makeup, and that using too much can clog pores and lead to breakouts. The actress knows the importance of using quality skincare and makeup products. She does her research and invests in products that are formulated with high-quality ingredients and are suitable for her skin type. Reza is also known for her love for fusion wear, where she seamlessly blends traditional and contemporary elements to create stunning outfits. One such outfit that caught our attention was her white and gold embellished jacket paired with black pants. She accessorized the look with a sleek hairstyle and minimalistic jewelry. This look was a perfect example of how Reza can blend traditional and contemporary elements and create a unique and stunning outfit. Reza's fashion choices are also influenced by her love for experimenting with different textures. She's often seen wearing outfits with unique and interesting textures, from lace to velvet. One such outfit that caught our attention was her black velvet jumpsuit. The jumpsuit featured a high neckline and a cinched waist, and Reza paired it with matching heels and statement earrings. This look was a perfect example of how Reza can make a statement with different textures. Overall, Reza Wilson's fashion choices are a perfect blend of traditional and modern. She's not afraid to take risks, experiment with different styles, and make bold fashion statements. So, which of Reza's fashion choices is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.